The Center for Student Legal Services has been at Ohio University since 1997. But what do they offer and how can students benefit from their services? I sat down with managing attorney Patrick McGee to get some answers.
There's nothing that would be as aggravating for a parent, I would suppose, than to get a call late at night knowing that your kid has been charged with some sort of crime and not have some sort of resource for your kid to rely upon. This office is there for the student.
But what's the cost?
It's kind of a prepaid legal insurance program. What the student is doing is saying that I'll pay $8 a quarter, then I'll have access to an attorney. And if I do have problems, I know I'm not going to have to pay more than $8 to try to resolve the case.
And what does that $8 a quarter cover?
Students really need to have a source where they can come in and get quick answers to problems. That may be as simple as how can I make sure that my landlord fixes something? Or it may be a situation, how can I get my security deposit back? The $8 fee covers not only legal advice, but covers representation. The only thing the student's really responsible for on those cases would be the court costs, and of course if there's a conviction, there's fines that they are responsible for. 60% of our cases deal with landlord-tenant issues. Another 30% are probably the misdemeanor cases, dealing with alcohol issues, disorderly conducts. We don't do divorces, we don't do bankruptcies. We do consumer cases. Could be, say, something involving a warranty, say an automobile problem. We have quite a few cases where students have either purchased a car in Athens and we have to deal with the seller to make good on the warranty, or a case where they've had repairs made in town and the repairs are faulty.
Is it worthwhile? McGee says yes.
It is certainly worth it. Whether your child is going to use the service or not, it is certainly worth the assurance to know that somebody's there for them. Even if you don't drink, even if you're a good student and did not intend to get into trouble, that doesn't mean you will not get arrested under mistaken circumstances. And it happens all the time. Simply because you're charged with a crime does not mean you're guilty by any means. We are always conscious about the need for the student to graduate from Ohio University with a clean record, and that's part of our goal.